Okay, everyone, what you see now is Huawei's latest flagship product, the Huawei Pura X Max. The one we received is the collector's edition, and the color is this vibrant orange. Without further ado, let's unbox it. It is indeed very wide. Let's put that aside for now. Here are the SIM card ejector tool, charging cable, data cable, and 66W wired fast charger. Now let's look at the main unit, which has a protective case for the camera module on the back. The color is very vibrant and lively. Many people initially thought this folding mechanism was slightly wider and larger than the first generation, and some might find it inconvenient to hold with one hand, especially for those with small hands. Actually, my hands aren't that big either. You can see it's quite comfortable to hold. It's not particularly large or difficult to hold. In fact, I think it's a stylish item, very eye-catching under light. The back is a glass panel, but it's divided into three areas. The top is a pure, high-gloss finish with the camera module. The bottom is divided into two areas. The texture here is slightly denser, and the bottom is a combination of horizontal and vertical textures. So, it really does look like a phone. At first glance, I think it looks like a fashion item. I think the color combination would be very eye-catching if I put it in my bag and took it out casually. So, regarding the color, I also like the blue one. I think if you're a couple, this one is more suitable for the woman, while the blue one is more suitable for the man. Now let's look at the outer screen. The outer screen has an extremely narrow black bezel design, making the viewing area look very clear. It is indeed a size larger than the previous generation P2X. This one is 5.5 inches, and when open, it's a 7-inch extended screen. This extended screen experience, with its 16:10 aspect ratio, is more comfortable than the previous large folding, vertically opening experience. After all, our naked eyes perceive a stronger visual sense from horizontal expansion than vertical expansion. The horizontal aspect ratio is also a golden ratio for display, which brings this extended screen experience. The visible area is 10% larger than the traditional large screen. His visual experience is much more comfortable. When unfolded, it's like holding a small mini pad or a small e-reader. It's very convenient. Foldable screens actually require higher craftsmanship in the crease and hinge design because the increased area, weight, and structure necessitate more refined workmanship and technology. Let me show you its crease. It's actually very shallow, almost invisible, only visible from a specific angle. This device truly grows on you the more you look at it, and the more comfortable it feels to touch. I think taking this out this summer, no matter the occasion, will definitely showcase your status and taste. It's a wide-open folding smartphone. Sometimes, just looking at it like this gives off a sophisticated vibe. Opening it gently is like opening a book or an e-reader. It's a very pleasant and relaxed feeling, a kind of understated elegance. I don't know if you can understand it, so I highly recommend everyone go to a store and experience it for yourself. You'll see what I mean. As for the later features, we'll give you an in-depth review in the next video. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.